Hello, today we will guide you through how to build a landing page with Lovable. To begin, open Lovable and go to the Home dashboard. This is the main workspace where you can start new projects and give the platform instructions on what you want to create. If you are already signed in, you should land directly on the dashboard. If not, just make sure you reach the main home screen before moving on. Taking a moment to confirm you're in the right place will help everything go more smoothly. Once you are on the dashboard, look for the input area where you can type or paste a prompt. This is where you tell Lovable what kind of landing page you want it to build. In this example, you will enter or paste a sample prompt to build a landing page. Be as clear as possible with your wording, because the prompt helps shape the structure, style, and purpose of the page Lovable generates. For example, your prompt might describe the kind of business or product the landing page is for, the tone you want, and the main sections you expect to see. Clear instructions usually lead to better results, so it helps to keep your request focused and easy to understand. If you already prepared your text somewhere else, you can simply paste it into the prompt box. If you are typing it directly, take an extra second to review it before submitting. Small edits at this stage can make a big difference in the output. After your prompt is ready, go ahead and press Enter. This sends your request to Lovable and starts the page building process. Once submitted, the platform will begin generating your landing page based on the prompt you provided. Depending on your internet speed or the complexity of the request, this may take a moment, so give it a little time to process. At this point, the main action is complete. You have successfully told Lovable what to build and started the generation process. The key to getting a useful result is starting from the dashboard, entering a well-written landing page prompt, and then submitting it clearly. If needed, you can always refine your prompt later for a more tailored result, but the core workflow stays the same. That's it for this walkthrough on building a landing page with Lovable. Following these simple actions gives you a quick and efficient way to get started and turn an idea into a generated landing page with minimal setup.